People, we are back. Hello, people, we are back to another video. I'm gonna be doing how to make a cat like this one in creative. So the materials you actually need are black wool, gray wool, pink wool, and green and white. And I'm gonna put a song because my voice kind of hurts, so I'm gonna put it. Okay, just follow these steps. Okay, I don't know what happened to the song, but whatever. Wait. Okay, whatever. Just follow these steps, guys. Follow these steps.
Yeah, baby. I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. I cannot see myself without you. We call them things don't do, you know what we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of my way to see you. And I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. But I cannot see myself without you. We call them fans, don't you know what we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of the way to see you. I ain't playing no games, I need you. I hope you know I need you. Yeah, baby. I get up on my knees, so. Yeah, baby. Do anything to please you. Yeah, baby. Top down when we breeze through. Yeah, baby. Know they gon' be zooming. We living like a movie. And all the bitch that we going up, girl, you know we ran through it. I need you, baby. I ain't afraid of minute. Girl, I need you, baby. Girl, tell me if you with it. Yeah, baby. All the pants I'm spinning. Big zoo up to the finish. When I come through, they screaming out. Zoo fan, baby, screaming loud. Again, baby. I ain't want you to be my lifestyle is driving you crazy. I cannot see myself without you. We call them fans, don't do, you know what we do. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of my way to see you. And I want you to be mine again, baby. I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. But I cannot see myself.
Okay, so guys, this is how you make a cat in 1 minute. So if you guys want to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, cause I actually want to make like Stampy Long Health, like his world, and we are gonna be making a lot of stuff. So make sure to subscribe, because I only have a little bit of subscribers, and make sure to like this video. And see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye bye.